Today we will see how to make a photo collage on iPhone without external apps. So let's get started. We are going to go to the App Store and search for the word shortcuts. You might say, well, but you're telling me it's without apps. But you are actually using an app, and that is Shortcuts. Yes, but what happens is that this app is directly from Apple, meaning we don't have to download external apps. And in this case, you may already have this app installed because it comes pre-installed on all iPhones. It is possible that you do not. Don't worry if you uninstalled it. You just need to come here, click install, and that's it. Now, once you have installed it, we will open it, and it will bring us all these shortcuts and all this information. So, what we are going to do is go to the bottom right where it says Gallery. Once you enter here, you will search exactly as it appears here, photo in English. Don't search for photo in Spanish because it won't show up. So, you need to search for photos in this way, and it will show you this photo grid. Alternatively, we can search directly for grid as it appears here. So, we will simply select this first shortcut and click the plus button. Once we click the plus button, this option for photo frame will appear in the main shortcuts section. Here you just need to tap on it. Then, all the photos will appear. What I will do here is directly select a photo to combine it. So, I will scroll down to look for others. And once we have selected the photos, we just need to click the add button at the top right, and we must wait a moment. It will automatically generate the collage of the photos. So here, what we need to do is click the share button at the bottom left, and when this loads, we just need to click save image, and it will be saved in the gallery. We can also choose an app directly to share it from there, whether it's to Instagram, WhatsApp, or wherever we want. So, we can create as many photo collages as we want. Remember, this is unlimited. You can choose as many photos as you want. However, ideally, to avoid any errors, you should generally choose photos of the same size first, and secondly, not select too many photos at once because it may not be able to process them and could generate an error. But this is how to create a collage on your iPhone without external apps.